Hey guys, so I want to talk real quick on importing and exporting profiles. So you may want to do this if you have multiple licenses of Bluebeam on different computers so that you can import export them, or if say you've made a effective workspace for you or profile for you. It's always nice to have a backup of that, save it to a location somewhere on your hard drive or cloud sharing platform, whatever it is, maybe moving companies, or you want to share this throughout your firm. You may want to import or export. So if you come up here to the review menu heading, drop that down, profiles. If you come all the way down past the profiles, down here to manage profiles, you'll get this little dialog box. And you may notice here, import export. If you select a profile that you want to export, generally speaking, most all these are default ones, except for the ones that say My Review. But generally, you probably want to export out the version that you've created yourself, or the profile that you've created yourself. So from here, you can export. It's going to bring you to this location on your C drive. You can export it out and just simply save it, wherever. Give it a name. If you are going to give it a name, do it from here. Modify, and then give it its updated name. And then when you do export, just leave it the given name that it has. Another thing is include dependencies. So these are going to be things like bookmarks. And that brings me to the web page, the Bluebeam web page. I'm going to close this out real quick, and we'll take a look at dependencies. But this is a great website if you don't know. If you kind of just search any Bluebeam topic, it generally takes you to this site, and you can start drilling down into different topics and different areas. So if we just look at exporting right here, so if you include dependencies, it's going to have everything. So your bookmarks, your tool sets, hatch patterns. If you don't include it, then it'll exclude that from your export. A lot of these things too, like your bookmark structure, you can export those as separate files and then import them to different profiles. So that's a good reason why not to include the dependencies, because those may be different from different user. But if you have a structured interface that you want people to have across the company, a kind of standard workflow, then that may be the best bet to have them included. Another thing is exporting, or importing. So that's easy enough. Import them. Just select one of your exported files or somebody else's, maybe at a shared location. Bring it in, and it's easy enough that you just come up here to your profiles and then change active profile. Just choose the one that you want from here. You can press OK. If not, you can go back to the Bluebeam area and change it from here as well. It's going to be added to this list. So I hope that helps, just showing you import export. It's pretty simple. It's not too complicated. The only thing is the dependencies may be a little confusing, but as you saw, it's a couple added things like bookmarks and hatch patterns and stuff. So check it out. Let me know how it works for you. Let me know if you have any questions. I appreciate you watching. Thanks.